Here we go again. It's Friday morning, about 10 o'clock, and we got more snow coming. I gotta go down and let the dogs out without my sons. Looks like it's a fluffy snow so far. No ice. Put new windshield wipers on her the day before yesterday. Got all tore up. Doesn't look like too bad a shape. It's all snow, looks like it. No ice. Just about had enough of this crap. I'll tell you what. We're supposed to get 1 to 4 inches over the course of the day. Anyway, our road is still pretty icy. It's you can't see how icy it is right at the moment. And for those of you who are wondering why I'm holding a camera while I'm driving, I'm just driving down the road here to my son's. But our road doesn't get taken care of by anybody unless residents do it. It's rough as heck, as you can probably see by the truck bouncing around. And underneath that snow is nothing but ice. I think it might have melted down to, maybe you can see some pavement in them tracks. At least yesterday you could. This road hadn't been dealt with at all. I mean, usually the neighbors try to do something, but the way this came about, became more ice, and we got snow blowers and scrapers. So anyway, this icy crap, I mean, I got 4-wheel drive, I'm in all-wheel drive. We used to live down there where my son lives. Kind of a pain in the rear end in the winter time like this, but it's always, winter time's a pain in the rear end no matter how you cut it. But now we live up here in the corner, so we don't have to go near as far. There's a land bridge down there we got to cross every time we come in and out, and a lot of people are a little afraid of that. You go easy, you know, on ice, it doesn't matter what you're driving. How's it going, everybody? Hope you're doing well. It's another cold winter night here in West Virginia. It's probably made it to about 30 degrees today, and we're supposed to get down to 6 again by morning. Already got school on a 2-hour delay, so but I'm retired, so I don't have to worry too much about going anywhere. I do have to work Tuesday. I have to go down to Belmont, West Virginia, and do a class. But anyway, I did a little bit of video on the weather we had on Friday or Saturday. But I thought one of the things that we could talk about today are some of the maps you got. Where do you guys get your maps, and how do you decide where you're going to go when you go ride? I know some of us don't need maps, but when we go on long rides, we probably should plan them out. A lot of people use Harley trip planner or ride planner, Google Maps, things like that. But some old school maps are nice to have. So some of the ones I have, this is from West Virginia, state of West Virginia. Obviously, West Virginia official highway map. I'm not going to open it up right now, but it's got all kinds of scenic destinations in it. New River Gorge, Park and Reserve, Cranberry Corridor, Seneca Skyway, Capitol Circle, Bird Eye Bend, all kinds of stuff there. I actually have 2 of those. Another one of my favorite places to go ride is Ohio. Of course I'm in West Virginia, which we're right across the river from Ohio, so that's obvious. But it's I must have got this from Ohio.org. It's a Ohio map. It's got all kinds of stuff in there. Welcome to Ohio tells you all about destinations to go there. And then got this one here, southeastern Ohio, and specifically is where we're close to. Pomeroy, Marietta, Athens, Noble County, McConnellsville area. So I ride quite a bit in that area. Turn-by-turn navigation via app. There is an app associated with this one. I haven't tried it yet, but it's put out. We got this one from Roadrunner Touring and Travel. It's a motorcycle website. And then this one here is pretty popular. It's from Ohio's Windy Nine. And there's a series of rides in Ohio that they refer to as their Windy Nine. I've been on several of those and still want to get on some more of them. But that's one you can get free from the internet. And then these two here, my wife just got me, are freemanmaps.com. And they're regional specific. Like I was more interested in West Virginia, Kentucky, Virginia, and Southeast Ohio. So I looked on the internet. You can go in there. It's freemanmaps.com. And you can order these maps. They're free, but you do have to pay postage and handling to get them. But this one here is my region, where I am usually going to be. And then my wife also got this one here for Finger Lakes to Niagara Falls, plus Northwest and Central PA. There's one for that, and it has points of interest ads in the map book and stuff like that. And I hate to try to unfold this thing because it's so hard to get them folded back up sometimes, but the way these are set up is they're it's just open so you can take a gander at it. You can see some of the maps and stuff on it, and that's probably dark. Sorry about that. That's what that map looks like, and you can get this one for free. It does cost you postage and handling to get it. And it's got some specific places like Back of the Dragon, Tail of the Dragon, the Snake, all those. I actually got it folded up pretty simply that time. But anyway, not much to talk about today. The weather hasn't been very good. See some of you guys down south are getting out and riding a little bit. No riding here. The road down, as you saw, the road that my son lives on, or we live on, still got 2 or 3 inches of ice on it. So that's going to be about it for tonight. I try to keep a video going every week. Right now there's not a whole lot of motorcycle content going on. Yesterday had a Borderline Hog chapter meeting at Mothman Harley. I had to leave early because we had a Red Knights bingo fundraiser at Belpre's Bingo Hall yesterday. So that was pretty much an all-day thing. We raised some money for a good charity. But other than that, I'm going to call her a day, and hope you guys have a good week, hoping the weather warms up. And I know we got a lot of winter left, but take care and stay safe.